Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this in a jiffy, so stay tuned and let's watch it to the end. Before I show you that, we are going to see how to apply this to the hair, so don't go anywhere. Let's get right into the video. So hello fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye, and today I'm coming your way with part of Cardi B's hair mask. I'm saying part because I haven't used all that she has used in her mask, because I have those products in other masks already, so I didn't see it necessary to put them inside. And this mask is also good. So guys, first let's see the length of my hair. Guys, if you've been watching this video, if you've watching my channel from day one, you realize that my hair has grown tremendously. Charlie, this is a very good result and I'm super happy. I'm over the moon right now. Those who don't watch my video from the beginning, you can check my video how my hair was before and how it's looking now. Healthy, long and shiny, stretchy, everything good, everything nice. So if you haven't been using my DIYs, you should better start trying it because it is working magic. So guys, this is how to apply it to your hair from the root to the end, and comb it with a wide tooth comb. It is very necessary to ensure easy application and easy spreading of the mask. Twist it and then cover it. So this is how we are going to do it. I've divided my hair into 4, so stay tuned and let's do that to the end. Like I said from the beginning, don't go anywhere because I'm going to be showing you how to do this amazing mask that will leave your hair shiny, speechless. You're going to be speechless because this is really amazing. This is really good. I'm not just talking because it's my channel, I'm saying because it has done a lot of things to my hair, and you can even see it right now how my hair is shiny and long, super healthy, everything good, everything nice. So if you're new to the channel, before we learn how to do it, before we go into the tutorial, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Guys, I need your comments, I need your likes, I need everything good from you guys to promote my videos. And if you're already a member, if you're already a G, please, you're welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Please, we need more families, we need more people to join the channel. We need more subscribers and we need more people who will comment and like. We don't want only viewers, we want dedicated viewers that will watch, comment and also put what I'm doing into practice. That is really good if everybody can go with me and grow the hair like I am doing. So let me give you the ingredient that we use. I use mayonnaise, not hair mayonnaise, like the proper mayonnaise, the one you use to cook, the one you have in your fridge or kitchen. Then scoop it into a bowl. Guys, take the quantity that your hair can take, the one you know that your hair can absorb, the one you can use and not leave some, and not the one that you can use and it will not be enough. Just the quantity that will be enough for your hair. Pour it in a bowl and look for egg. Buy 2 or 1. I'm going to be using 1 because I don't want much in my hair. I don't want it that much, so I'm going to be using 1 egg, and I'm using the egg white and the yolk together. Guys, take note. Then whipping. This is a video, so it didn't really look that long, but then Charlie, I have whipped for about 10 to 15 minutes before it became like this, before it became how it is right now. I become smooth and flappy. I don't know how to describe it. it is a bit sticky like okra. Yeah, when it becomes like that, you should know that your thing is ready. Then you add the next ingredient. So the next ingredient, it depends on the oil you have. If you have coconut oil, add coconut oil. If you have carrot oil, any other oil you have, you can add it. But I'm going to be adding olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Any olive oil that you have, you can add it to it, and then continue whip until it becomes smooth, sticky, and smells good too. For the first time, I was able to stand the smell of egg. If you cannot stand the smell, you should add a bit of lavender. Then your product is ready. So guys, this is me, and this is what I have for you today. If you've watched the video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video idea, another mind-blowing video idea. Bye.